Yes, so I got back home and I decided to branch the kitchen and see if my husband had littered the place. So before I left, I had prepared, let me not touch it. I had prepared noodles for him. I was in a hurry, so I couldn't eat. I just prepared small for him and I told him, okay, instead of frying the egg for you, then it will get cold later when you want to eat. Let me just make the noodles and keep for you. Then later when you want to eat, you will now fry the egg. My people, where I leave the egg, now where I come see am so. Like, it's just an egg. What does it take to fry egg? It's not like he doesn't know how to fry egg. To stress himself. Today I said, just do this small one for me, only for your mouth though. Oga bounce. You don't even send the egg small. Like if you had even moved the egg small, I'm forever happy. You not even go close. It is well though. Happy Children's Day to all the kids out there. Love you. Mwah.